Welcome! In this video, we will guide you through the disassembly, the replacement of single or double O-ring seals, and reassembly of Viking Pump's RTP series lobe pump using our service kit with genuine Viking Pump spare parts. This video will show the steps for an RTP 20 size pump. Before you begin, please consult the appropriate technical service manual for safety information and to make sure all maintenance steps are completed. A copy of the latest revision can be found on our website at vikingpump.com. The following tools are required: ratchet and socket set, Allen wrenches, O-ring pick, rotor locking tool, assembly lubricant, and a torque wrench. Each Viking Pump seal kit and elastomer kit contain all required spare parts. To begin, loosen the 4 retainer nuts from the front cover. Remove the front cover. Ears or cutouts located on the front cover can aid in removal. Remove and discard the front cover O-ring. Loosen and remove the rotor retainers. To prevent the rotors from turning, insert the rotor locking tool provided with the pump or a dowel made of plastic or other non-metallic material into the pump body. Remove and discard the rotor retainer O-rings. Remove both rotors. Keep track of the position of each rotor as they will need to be returned to their original position when reassembled. Tapped holes on the front of the rotor may be utilized for easier rotor removal. Contact your local Viking Pump distributor for more information on our rotor removal tool. Next, remove and discard the rotary O-ring from the back of each rotor. For double O-ring seals, remove both O-rings from each rotor. Remove and discard the shaft O-rings. If replacing the sleeves, use an Allen wrench to loosen the set screws at the 3 and 9 o'clock positions on each seal sleeve. These can be accessed between the rotor case and gearbox. Pull each sleeve out from the front of the pump. Remove and discard the sleeve O-rings. Prior to seal installation, clean and inspect the seal sleeves and rotor case. You are now ready to install new O-ring seals. First, lubricate and install the sleeve O-rings. Next, install each sleeve, making sure to align the slot with the location pin in the bore. When the sleeve is fully in place and seated at the back of the rotor case, tighten the set screws at the 3 and 9 o'clock positions using an Allen wrench. Lubricate and install the shaft O-rings. Next, lubricate and install the rotary O-rings into the grooves on each rotor. For single O-ring seals, install the O-ring in the outermost groove. For double O-ring seals, install new O-rings in both grooves. Reinstall the rotors onto the shaft from which they were removed. Note that the wide tooth of the rotor will need to be aligned with the missing spline of the shaft. Lubricate and install new rotor retainer O-rings. Install the rotor retainers. Lock the rotors using the rotor locking tool. Torque the rotor retainers to the appropriate torque value. This setting can be found in the technical service manual. Lubricate and install the front cover O-ring. Next, install the front cover. Install the retainer nuts, torque to the appropriate torque value. This setting can be found in the technical service manual. For pump lubrication, please refer to the technical service manual for proper lubrication and greasing procedures. Your Viking Pump RTP Series rotary low pump has new O-ring seals and is ready to be put back into service. For more information, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.